Good morning. It's Foxy D'Lo. And I'm doing week 7 of the Margarete Miller's Collage Weekly Planner. So today we have a photo, and I chose this one. It was a birthday card. Let's see. Something in a garage. Oh, that's where I always stored all my paint back when I had a garage. And let's see, a rubber stamp used in 2 different colors. So originally I was going to do this door stamp in 2 different colors and kind of like do it like halfway in the 2 different colors and act like we were painting it in the collage, but I chose something different once I found these roller skating girls. I'm gonna go with a kind of retro looking theme. So some of these arrows I'll do in 2 colors, and I thought stamping twice hello hello might look kind of cute. Okay, so let's find your paper. All right, let's see, a headline. I'm gonna use this Blue Sky and a sewing item. I have these little patches. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna use, but probably one of those. That's gonna be my sewing item. And I have washi tape, so I'll probably decorate with some of those, and that's the bonus. Okay, so I also have some pins in case I want to make some marks. I have this neat modeling paste and a stencil, and I'm gonna get started. All right, first I'm gonna go ahead and rip down this. So I had, let me just take this off. I had an idea about how to use the pink part of this as well, even though I don't want it to say kitchen. Okay, I'm done with that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is take out the H, I think. And then when I bring them together and stick one of these little things over it, it's gonna look like it says kitten. Is that gonna be cute to call these little girls Blue Sky Kittens? And I'll draw a little S on the end. I think it's gonna be cute. Oh, okay. I'll just leave it like that. Okay. Rip the other words off. And I might use this piece to draw the little S on it. Let's see. Okay. Just gonna cut this down. Anyway, so how is everyone's morning? Mine is going okay. Gave myself a haircut today. I like it, I think. So that's always nice. think I'm gonna draw it with a blue. Let's see. So just kind of my idea behind it is like as if this is one of the girls, I don't know, like a little scrapbook or yearbook kind of books. So that's the style I'm going with. Okay, I think I want it sideways. Blue Sky Kittens. Something like that, maybe. Okay. Let's get these. I kind of like these. I'll just tear around all the things. I decide if I wanted them stuck together or not. Okay, let's see. My cat woke me up 2 hours early. And then I wound up sleeping late. So I didn't get to recording the time I wanted to. Okay, I think maybe, let's see. Yeah, I think I'll put this, let's see how I want to, I'm going to put this behind here. Maybe I'll just cut it. It looks like they're gonna start doing some kind of construction right outside my window. So that's gonna be lovely. Maybe it won't be too loud. I think maybe it does need to be pink. Let's see if pink will make it better. Make it go better. Yeah, I think I like that better. All right. Let's see. Get this. Blue Sky Kittens. I was also thinking I might color in, what is that? Some sticker or something on there. Some sticker residue. Okay, I'm kind of liking this. So, do we want this down here? Yeah, when it said photograph, I was like, oh goodness. I haven't had any photographs in a long time. And just a little, maybe a little plant, set of flowers right here. It's kind of a, oops, well, that's actually okay. Just gonna trim this edge. I think that's cute. All right, let's see if we have any of this. Maybe little cup of paintbrushes. That's cute. Okay. Something like that, maybe. And now let me get, oh, I also had this little paper. Might be cute to put a little something up there. And I just had some little scrap paper. I'm gonna use my stamps on. So I got these at Tuesday morning. They're a pretty good price. See, I have yay there. Then I have a yay here. That could be something, but I think that, oh yeah, it's all one piece. I don't really want the little branches. So I think I'll just stamp the hello stamp a couple times. And I couldn't have a bigger acrylic sheet here, but that's what I have out, so I'm just going to use that. Okay. One more. Okay. Let's see. cute. All right, let's see where do I want to put it. See, I'd like to tear just the tiniest bit off the top. Okay. Maybe this needs to go here. I think I'll leave those little polka dots on there. Just gotta cut this off. See my mark. Yeah, just kind of scored it with my fingernail. Oh, lost my ring. Just leave it off. Okay. Let's see. Okay, let's also, I wanted to color in some of this. Let's give this little girl some like purple flowers. I don't know how well it's gonna. That's cute. It's subtle. But I'm just coloring in the little pattern on her outfit. Can't tell if I got every. I'll add a few more over here just because I can't. There's no pattern. I'm gonna kind of wave that and hope it dries. That's cute. Okay, and this, let me do this one next. Just gotta color. It's not really working. That other one, oh yeah, that's cute now. Just kind of rub it on and wipe it off. Kind of staining her pants blue. Probably, yeah, it's kind of okay. But yeah, it's adding a little really subtle colors. This is pretty fun. I guess I'll just do a few of her stripes. Maybe the whole sleeve will be yellow. Oh, look how fun that is. I might have to use that on here too. I hope the camera can pick that up. Let me see. See how it looks. No, I can't really. That's sad. It's less subtle in person. So it didn't look like I did a thing on the camera. Just get all this. Yeah, that's better. Okay. All right, I've got that. I need to cut these things down. Let's see, I think now let's just cut right here off. And then right here. Okay. Let me get this off because that's actually not the patch adhesive. That was just what was holding it on the okay, so let's get it. So there's enough room for there to be a T. That's the important part. Okay. And I've lost the S. Oh, here it is. Let me finish. Let me just color this in all the way. Okay. I wish that showed up more on the camera because it's pretty cute like it is here. A little blotch up there. Okay, so these girls, they skate and they paint and they have a good time. And the blue. Well, hopefully when I take the pictures for Instagram, it'll show more of the color. I'm afraid I'm very boring this time. The only exciting thing I did today was cut my hair. Maybe, yeah, over here to cover up that car. And I have this dot stamp I thought would be cute. And I'm gonna run get a different acrylic thingamabob. Okay, I'm back. This is much more appropriately sized. Okay, I'm just gonna see how it does right there on that. I'll probably soak it up a lot better than the magazine pages. Let's just kind of get it off of there so I can use the teal. And that was very juicy. Okay. I'm iffy on whether that was a good thing or not. I like it there better. Okay. All right. So that and that. Let's give them some little ears. I'd give them whiskers too if they were facing us. Oh, I don't want it to look like horns now. Okay. Maybe just some outlining. Just move these things. Gonna outline them. Maybe if my pen continues to work. Since it's a card, it's got like a slick coating. It makes it a little cuter, I think. I have no clue how, how well this will stay on. Kind of blue tint up here at the top. There. All right, and we have our little paintbrushes and our little hellos. Let's look at our instructions before we glue down. All right, we got our photo. This is also a photo. Something in a garage. We have paintbrushes and paint. A headline. A sewing item. We have one on this page. Let's see. Don't want to do troublemaker. Oh, I need to cover this up. I think troublemaker could be pretty cute. Let's see. See how this looks. Ooh, that one's glue. It's giving up. So we'll lay that there and see if we like it. I think that's cute. Okay, and you know what? I'll do a little arrow pointing up at these guys. Just to make sure everyone knows that these are the troublemakers. Right there. Let's get it lined up. Okay. It's right there by the purple. Let's use the juicy teal one. That's right there, I think. Okay. And I guess I'll go ahead and glue this since its glue has given up. And that's where we'll add this little S. Like that. Okay. It's a whole little past the little troublemakers. Okay, let's see. Do I want to add? I think I'm gonna, maybe, well, I could put it. No, I'm not gonna. I'm just gonna leave it off. Okay, I'm going to glue this side down now. Actually, you know what? I can just glue the whole page. So I put very large rectangles this go. I used less magazines this time. Oh, look at that ink. I don't know what that was from. Okay. Well, guys, I was very quiet this video. Let's see. What can we chat about at this point when no one's listening anymore? That's the problem. I don't know. Don't have anything to chat about. Okay. Can glue the bottom of this one. Well, hopefully you enjoyed the process, even without me chatting away at you. Let's see. Grab my little gluey page. Well, I went shopping yesterday and got these little rings. Thought I'd dress up my hands a little bit since that's what you mostly see of me. Unless I get my head in the way. Okay. And where did that little bush of flower, oh, here it is. So little sun and an eye and a little moon. They're just little cheap things. But they made me happy. Okay. I feel like I planned these collages for like a few hours before I finally sit down and do them. How long does it usually take you guys watching to get these down how you like them? Okay, so I'm gonna have to, let's go ahead. I have to take this one off because, okay. because that's not ready to go down yet. All right, so this goes first. Use up a whole glue stick. No, not yet. I haven't yet used the whole glue stick on this challenge. I guess I've got, this is a month and a half down. Do you guys have any Valentine plans? Let's see. Yes, this one's going up on, this video is going up on the 12th. So my Valentine's plans. Me and my husband are buying a video game. It's like a co-op, like puzzle game called, I guess it's called Fogs. I don't know how you, if that's how you pronounce it, but it's, if you've seen the cartoon Cat Dog, it looks kind of like Cat Dog if it was two dogs attached, like Cat Dog is attached. And so you each control one end of that creature. It looks like it should be fun. And well, so you each control a head. So you're like, each of you are like trying to go in different directions, and you kind of stretch in the middle. Oh. And you gotta hold an item in your, oops, I glued that down. Oh no. See, this is what happens when I start talking. It's gonna be a little sticky, but I guess it'll be okay. Let's see. Just put a little more glue down since I took some of it up. And get all these edges. Oh, that's pretty good. And we're gonna make peanut butter cookies shaped like dog bones because of that game. we're doing a themed Valentine's Day. And in the game you get these little, because you're you know, you're a set of dogs, you get these little biscuits, dog biscuits shaped like bones. And so we're gonna make cookies to go with that theme, because I like being silly. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. Hopefully my husband thinks so as well. I will admit, it was my plan. It was my plan to do that. So we'll see how that goes. Oh, and with a friend, I started playing Minecraft for the first time. That's pretty exciting. You can do a lot of creative stuff in Minecraft. Now, I'm not to the point of being able to do anything creative. I'm just I spawn in and then die. It's mainly what I do. But whoa, what in the world? Some kind of, someone shooting a cannon? What was that? I don't even know. But the world doesn't seem to be ending, so I'm just gonna continue on crafting. Just gonna stick that right there. Yeah, so I don't know if any of you guys play video games or have children that play video games, but I'm big into them. I actually watch more on YouTube than I play, but I have started playing more of them lately. Okay, let's see. So now I just need to decorate with washi tape, I believe. By our little, maybe I will just put it there. I think I'll trim it down. I'll rip it down as if I am gonna place it there. Whether I do or not, we will see. Whoop. You know, that's not bad. I will, let's see, what will I do? I have this little stencil. I was thinking about doing some of these kind of flowers. Maybe I'll just kind of do some there. Okay. Got the plan. I'm gonna go ahead and glue that down, and that'll cover up my Lowe's creative ideas. Oh yes, this is from a Lowe's. I don't know what their magazine is called, but it's a Lowe's like handyman kind of magazine. Where it has like how to make different things. Okay. All right, I like it. Let me go grab a little sponge. Okay, got the sponge. Where did my... Okay, I'm just gonna try a little... Oop, shaking the whole thing. Let's try a different technique. Make it kind of fit. Where did my other... Let's close that up. All right. Maybe a little bit of this too. Kind of, I don't know if it needed that, but we did it. All right, now I'm gonna call that good. All right, on that. Okay, let's play with some washi tape. Got this that my mom got me. This cute little plaid. And I think I got this one from the Dollar Tree back before it was the $1.25 store. Ooh, this one might be fun. Let's see, this one. Oh, I got a trash can right here. So how long have I been recording? Ooh, 50 minutes. I need to quicken my pace. Okay. Well, I started ripping right there, so I'm gonna just rip that. Okay. I think, let's see, where should I put this? I think I will put this right here And what hopefully will be fun is I'll be able to color these in. Yeah, so that will be cute. I'll finish, or I might add some more color to that later. I'll just color in one of these. On camera. Or maybe I'll just leave it with one colored. Let's put a purple leaf. And a purple stem, I guess. Okay. Cute. All right, I think I want to do a little bit more washi tape. Just add some of these pink polka dots. Gonna put some, I'll tear it now, let it have it off the roll. Yeah. Oh, it's upside down. Probably should have put some glue on that, but I'll just, no, I don't think I like that. It's a good thing I didn't put glue. Okay. I like that, and maybe I'll just do a little. So add that there, and a little more of this on this page. Yeah. Oh, now I'm realizing what's missing. That little piece of spotty paper. Yeah. I'm glad I found that before I finished up this video. But anyway, while I'm gluing this down, I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of me crafting away, hopefully not silently next time, subscribe. That would really help me out. But here's my week 7. Oh, I think it's so fun. Hope you can see it. I really wish you could see how fun this up here is. You can kind of see how it colored in the fence. I don't think they're really troublemakers, do you? No, they wouldn't be. They wouldn't be. Oh, you know, it kind of works if I use that white marker and then color over it. Cute. Well, I'm gonna wind up just fiddling with this for a few hours, it seems. No, I'm gonna call it. Gonna call it done as soon as I color in these last ears. So here's the Blue Sky Kittens on their way to roller skate into some trouble. They're probably putting graffiti up somewhere, little troublemakers, but it'll be pretty. It'll be pretty graffiti. Well, I was Foxadillo this entire time, and thanks for watching. I'll try to be a little less silly, or maybe more silly. I'm not sure which way it should go in the next video. I hope to see you. Bye.